This is CompuBooks Online Academy. This client created one course but had two different demographics that she wanted to market it to. So on the home page of her Thinkific site, we created two buttons. One takes them to a sales page for accounting professionals, and the other takes them to a sales page for those who are using it for their business. In both cases, the visitor would enroll actually in the same course. However, the different sales pages allow us to better target that demographic. You can see that we have used some power-ups and some Thinkific native sections of Site Builder in order to create better sales pages. So let's go into one of the sales pages. You'll be able to see the enhanced design of this particular sales page because of the use of power-ups.